Haryana government declares summer vacation in schools till May 31st. Rajasthan government announces summer vacation for all schools from April 22nd to June 6th. ATMA 2021 admit card released, exam to be held on April 25th. Keep all online teaching suspended in summer vacation, Delhi government to private school. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: after Delhi, Haryana government Wednesday announced summer vacation in schools till May 31st. The decision has been taken due to spike in COVID-19 cases in the state. The schools will remain closed on account of summer holidays from April 22nd to May 31st, Haryana's Education Minister Kanwar Pal Wednesday said in a tweet. Earlier this month, the state government had decided to close schools till April 30th for students up to class 8, but later they were shut for all classes in the wake of a sharp rise in coronavirus cases. However, teachers have been attending schools to prepare examination results. Along with the safety of the children, safety of the teachers is also our responsibility, so the summer vacations have been declared in advance, the minister further said. Last week, the Haryana Board of School Education cancelled Class 10 exams and deferred Class 12 exams. The result of Class 10 students will be announced based on internal assessments. The Directorate of Information, Public Relations and Languages Department, Haryana, released the official announcement on Twitter. After Delhi and Haryana, Rajasthan government on Wednesday announced a 45-day summer vacation from April 22nd in all government and private schools, according to an official order. All state-run and private schools in Rajasthan will have summer vacation from April 22nd to June 6th as per the directive. Further, the State Education Minister Govind Singh tweeted that those teachers engaged in campus to fight COVID-19 will be able to avail vacation only after permission of competent authorities such as district collector or sub-divisional magistrate, it stated. The teachers have been asked to remain on alert mode and follow instructions of district administration if they are given duty in emergency situation. The Association of Indian Management Schools, that is AIMS, released the admit cards for AIMS test for management admissions 2021 April session. The exam is scheduled to be conducted on April 25, 2021 from 3 to 5 pm. The admit cards are available for download at www.atmaims.com. The exam will be conducted in Artificial Intelligence Protocol mode, hence students will be able to take the exams from their homes. Candidates need to use their PID and password, which are already issued, to download Secure Exam Browser software through ATMA login and then install the same in their system. The Directorate of Education had on Monday advanced summer vacation in view of the deteriorating COVID-19 situation. The vacation, which was scheduled from May 11 to June 3rd, has now been rescheduled from April 20 to June 9. It has been brought to the notice of this directorate that despite the summer vacation, which has been advanced due to the surge in COVID-19 cases, the regular online learning method continues to be adopted in one way or the other by some private schools, the Directorate of Education said in an official order. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.